Hello everyone, my name is Juan and I'm now in Fatesg college where I studied here, and so I'm in the open lab and we have here all the devices for measuring network performance, like those ones and also these ones, and also this machine that makes optical fiber fusion. So I'm showing all this, but my project is this one. This is related to IoT. IoT stands for Internet of Things. So I can control everything here, like the bulb lights and the radio and the fan, by using an app that I created with the support of my professors. Let me see where is the app here. It's this one. So this one. My professors Bruno Urbano and also Francisco Calassa, and also my advisor, Professor Plinio. So with this, I can turn on the lights, like I said, light 1, and then I turn on and gives a feedback, like the command was executed successfully, was successfully executed. And let me try the light 2, the second one, and now the radio. I'm going to turn off the radio. This is a Brazilian radio station. And now I'm going to turn on the fan. Let me take a look. You're going to see this spinning around. Let me turn on. Oops, turn on. There you go. And then I turn off one light, another light, and now the fan. Turning off the fan, it stops spinning. Okay, now I'm going to show you this. So the details about this is I can say this is a small computer. It's a Arduino-like. That means it's similar to Arduino that was made in Italy. So this is called Node MCU. This is a web server. It gets an IP, and with this IP I can control it. This is the IP number, final 254. And so I can control everything, and this does everything by itself. I mean, it's connected to the computer just for power issues. So even if I plug this one, which is a cell phone adapter, it runs smoothly. So my challenge in this project was to understand stuff about electronics, like these resistors and the diode and these transistors and relays and everything. I needed, so I got to study a lot and watch lots of videos to understand how it works. So once I got one LED working and turning on and turning off, so I did everything and everything was great, and now it is working smoothly. So it also has sensors, like this one is soil humidity, and this one is temperature sensor, and this one is light sensor. So as the light goes down, it becomes dark. The sensor turns on the light according to the code over here. which is running this code. So this is all the code running in this IoT platform. This is everything. I'm going to show you the temperature sensor by changing the code. So I'm going to change this here. Let me see. I'm going to comment something here. Actually, it's on comment already. So let me see the values. So these values are coming from this sensor, like 515. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to change the code to turn on the light according to the values that is coming here. So I'm going to put like, it's going to turn on one light as the value goes to 520. And then another one as the value goes to 525, and so on. And now I'm going to turn on even the fan and the radio. It needs to be greater than, not less than 525, and greater than 530. Now I'm going to do the upload. So this step in the upload, the program compile the code and verify possible errors and send it to the node MCU. As you can see, the LED is blinking. That means the code is coming from the computer to the node MCU, to the flash memory. That is blinking. And this is the progress. Now is 100%, and we can. Oh, now it's getting the IP. It just got the IP from the router here. So it gets this IP from the router, and it became, like I said, a web server. Oh, now I'm going to show here. Let me see. The value we put here is 520. So I'm going to put my hand above this sensor, and the temperature is going to be up. It's going up, and it's going to turn on one light right now. Actually, is when it gets 521. Yes, there you go. And now the another one when it gets 525. It's 23, 24, 23, 24, 25. Actually, not 25, 26, because I placed it here greater than 25. As you can see, it turned on the radio. Sometimes the values goes down and then it turns off the lights, but it's because there is a kind of the value goes down. And this is the sensor of temperature. I just show you these lights and radio to give you an idea about how you can trigger something. It could be, for example, a fan or an AC, an air conditioner. And let me see the fan over here. I'm going to try to turn on the fan. Let me comment this. Let's see. Actually, I'm going to leave like this, and then I'm going just to keep my hand here, and the fan is going to turn on as well. As always the lights and the radio need just to wait a little bit more. And you're going to see this spinning around. right now. So if I take out my hand, it's going to turn off everything. Actually, it's going to turn off slowly. As the temperature goes down, it turns off this stuff. This one, let me see. Now, yes, turns off. And now I'm going to show you one more, is the light sensor. The light sensor, I need to unplug this one and plug this connector here and unplug this another one. So I plug again and then I close this serial monitor and open it again, and now it's going to get the IP again. It turned on the light because the code I left here before, so I'm going to change here. The value is 633. So I'm going to put like, when the light is down, like less than 520, it's going to turn on one light, and then when it's less than 300, it's going to turn on another light, and that's it. I'm going to do this just with by using the light for now. As you can see, I'm doing everything live here. I'm modifying the code here for everybody to see here. And I can change everything and do whatever by using conditionals. And now I'm going to upload the code again to the Node MCU. It turned off because the code is going to the Node MCU, and this is the progress. This is in progress, 34%, and let's see, 69%, and then 100%. Let's see the monitor. It's connecting again. That's amazing. It gets the IP from here. I mean, this is a complete web server. So now I'm going to show you the lights, like I told you. As I cover this one, the light is going to turn on. The value is 300 and 520. So that's it. Actually, it turned off because the light from the bulb light turned it off. So if I cover everything, oh, actually I put the port for the fan, not for another light. So the fan is on right now. But I showed you this just to give you an idea about how it works. So you can turn on anything, like you can have a building and put this sensor, and as the sun goes down, it starts to turn on lights, and then turn a couple of lights, and then a couple more, and that makes economy for the building, and that's it. So the challenge here, like I said, was to learn about this device here, about this electronic stuff like resistor and diode, and also transistors and relays, and that was kind of challenging. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed to watch this video. I'm going to leave on the description, wherever I place this video, I'm going to leave my contacts, and if you have some questions, you can contact me easily. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.